Welcome to my fish room. Okay, they told us there was going to be a blizzard. You're burying your car, son. Well, apparently there was a blizzard. I don't know if you're doing much good for your car. You're going to have to take that out. No, you go slow, Aaron, so it can throw the snow.
Where?
No, you're not.
Yeah.
You're not going slow. We used that the first year we were here. We haven't used that since. Okay, well, I'm going in. This is cold. It's good to have. That's what the blizzard looks like. It's now 2:17 plus 7 minutes, because you know we run slow. And we're driving down the 401 doing 30. I have the zoom feature now.
There was a zoom on the last one.
Yeah, but it didn't work for the last while. Okay. I'm going to answer the phone. Okay, bye.